So let's solve question number 6 here. The question is 96 in the question paper, and this is 6th question for us. The speed of the swimmer in the still water is 20 meter per second. The speed of the river water is 10 meter per second, and is flowing due east. So you can see I have taken river here, and it is flowing towards east, and I have shown the direction north, south, west and east. If he is standing on the south bank, so this is the south bank, and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. So guys, no doubt, suppose the person is standing here, so this is going to be the shortest path, right? Exactly opposite. So to follow this path, person must move in this direction, right? I mean left from this side, in direction, this direction, like that. So they are saying the angle at which he should make his stroke means at what angle he will swim with respect to north is given by. So now question is actually very easy. See how I will try to explain here. Suppose this is the river, and the person wants to go in this direction, so definitely he should try in this direction. So already we have speed of river, correct? So that speed of river is given as 10 meter per second, and person can swim with 20 meter per second in still water. So this angle is theta. So you know what will happen if person will try to swim in this direction, then because of river flow the person will go somewhere here, right? So this 20 meter per second will be having two components. One component will be in this direction and one component will be in this direction. So this component which is towards the upstream, this component will be 20 sine theta, and if this component is exactly equal to the speed of river, which is 10, means this and this, they both are equal and opposite to each other, then only river will not take the man downwards stream, right? Downstream. So this 10 20 sine theta, 10 has to be equal to 20 sine theta. I hope it's being clear. And man will go in this direction with 10 cos theta. So if they are asking the distance, the time, then this gap we must know, this gap, right? I mean what is the width of the river, and with this speed we can find out. So now equate both. This question is done now. So 10 is equal to 20 sine theta. So sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 30 degree, right? So you can see 30 degree in which direction? West side. West of what? West of north, right? So with respect to north, 30 degree west is the right option. So now we go for question number 7.